Sorry, Elliot, I wasn't watching. I was in the other room when this happened. Darn squirrel. He, we took out that black tube that was in there, right? And he's chewing a hole, a bigger hole, into the plastic so I can stick his fat head in there. And he did it. Look at that. Darn thing ruined it. I'm gonna scare him away. And I'll watch for him every time I come back here. So let's watch me scare him away. Oh my goodness. You still there? That's weird. Alright, here we go. There he is. Iron squirrel. Alright, ready for this? It's all fuzzy now. There we go. I was shaking in my watch him fly. Ah! Alright, that was fun. He actually fell. There he is out there. Darn thing. Alright.